So hello guys, welcome back to my channel sdncubing. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's cube part 2. Wait a second, where is my 4x4? Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. 1 2 3. Yes, my 4x4 has came. Okay, now for solving it, make sure you saw the part 1 of this video. If you didn't saw the part 1 of this video, the link will be in the description and go check out that video. In that video, I teach you how to solve the centers. In this video, part 2, I am going to show you edge pairing the edge. That is very easy if you understand it. Now I want to match the blue and orange edge. Now blue and orange edge in that side, here is a blue and orange. We should take it to the same down row. Yes, down row. After taking that to the same down row, we should match them like this. Now I'll move R. You see those both are not in the same row. They should not be in the same row. When I try to match them, they doesn't match because they are in the same row. They should not be in the same row. For flipping this taking this row down, you should use an algorithm named flipping algorithm. The algorithm link will be in the description. R prime F R prime F dash R. Now you see what this algorithm does is flips that edge and takes that blue and orange edge down. Now it flips, so when we try to match they both like this, you see, move them both, you see they both are matching. Okay, now when we match them, you see the centers are spoiling. When we restore them, our edge is going. So we should match them like this and move the right side layer up and take the wrong edge, place the wrong edge in that place and move the right side layer down. Now you should restore the centers. You see, it is very simple. Wait, oh, now you should move the right side layer up, simple, up, and replace it with the wrong edge and move this down and restore the centers. Now you see our centers are restored and our edges are there. Edge is nicely fixed, paired. Now you should use this process and do another. Now for example, I will do the green and red. Okay, now where is the another green and red? Maybe it is on top. Yes, where is it? Yes, maybe it's on top. Wait a second, I'll search. Yeah, it is on top there. Now I should take them to the same place, so I'll move you2 and take them to the same place. You see, now they both are in the wrong row, so when we try to match them, they match it. Now you should move that up and replace it with the wrong edge and down. Why I'm telling to replace it with the wrong edge is, when you replace it with a good edge and restore the centers, you see the good edge is scrambling. So what you should do is, you should restore it with the bad edge. When you restore it with the bad edge and restore the centers are restoring and the edges are pairing. So you should use this you should use this technique and solve all of the edges. After solving all of the edges, you may get this case when you match the edge and you want to replace it with another edge. All the edges are good, you may not get any correct edge. So you should use flipping algorithm for this. The flipping algorithm does is it swaps the edge. So you should do R2 and I'll get these both to the same place and I'll just move the down layer. You see, we should get them to the same row and move the down layer, and now you should apply the flipping algorithm. Now when you apply the flipping algorithm, this both will automatically pair. R prime F R dash F R. Now you when restore the centers, the automatically the edge will be paired. Why? Because the edge is flipped, so the red and yellow edge has flipped and paired there. So you should use this technique and solve this rest of three edges. I'll show you another example. Now I'll match the green and yellow like this. I'll do like this, but I am not getting any edge to match, so I will do R2 and get it to the same place. Okay, I am doing R2. When you do R2, they both came to the same place, so I'll move the down layer. Now I will do the flipping algorithm. R prime F R prime F dash and R. Now you should restore the centers. When you restore the centers, automatically the edge will be solved. Okay, now there are last two centers. Okay, the final and the main step, the last two edge pairing. This is the very main thing to learn, because this is the main thing. Now you see the both blue and white are not in the same row, so when we try to match them there are no good edges. So I will do flipping algorithm and use the same technique to match they both. Now the flipping algorithm does these both are in the same line. Now only I will move the down layer, and when I use the flipping algorithm, automatically they both will be solved. Now I am moving the down layer. Now you need to apply the flipping algorithm. What does is when it flips and when you restore the centers, automatically that's also R prime F, R prime F dash and R. Now when you restore the centers, automatically the both edges will be solved. Now it is a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, so you can solve it like a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Now you can solve this like a 3 by 3. Okay, you see the time lapse of solving. Now I am going to tell you a way, a app link that I gave in the description. The app link, you should click on the app link and open the app and signing in that app. Using that link, you can get a free bonus 10,000 points in the app. If you download it from Google Play Store or anything, you will get 0 points. So please go down and download it using that code, that link. If you use that code, you will get 1,000 points free bonus. So it will support my channel also. So go down and use the link and download the app. So thanks for watching this video. Some in 4x4 some cases you may get parley T cases. If you want the parley T link in the description, parley T link video, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will make a video on parley T situation. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.